towards the end of his roundhouse kick video. He says that instead of going around, instead of going straight, to go more like a 45-degree angle. Now here it gets good. He says to go like you're going a 45-degree angle and then bring your leg back like a front kick. That somehow that makes it faster. That is beyond stupid, okay? That's also not the fastest way to do it. It's also not the most optimal way to do it. This 45-degree angle is still one of the slowest way to do it. Now just think logically, guys, okay? Think logically. What is the fastest way to get from point A to point B? Everybody knows that it's a straight line, okay? So surprisingly enough, this is advanced Taekwondo stuff, guys. You won't learn this in the beginning in Taekwondo. Taekwondo, in the beginning, they will tell you to go around. Gabriel Varga said, oh, Taekwondo goes around, karate goes around. It takes more time than this one. That's BS, okay? Taekwondo on a high level, we don't go all the way around. And here comes the secret, okay? I'm gonna expose to you guys. First thing you guys wanna do is you never wanna step. That's one. Two, the shoulders. The shoulders should never be slower than your foot. As soon as your foot's taking off, as soon as your leg's taking off, your upper body, your shoulders should already be moving with the kick. At the same time, or even the upper body should maybe go even faster and pulling the leg. That's one. Okay, so you want to go here. You take off here, hands here. You don't want to do this. You want to keep your hands here. If anything, the right hand is going to go like you're doing a cross or a jab. It's going towards the person. It's traveling where the kick is going. So if I'm here and I'm throwing it, the shoulders are going in this direction, here, like I'm throwing a punch. So the person doesn't know if it's a punch or a kick at that point still. All right, now from there, that's one, you take off here, right? Two, second thing, your leg is gonna travel straight, not around. So this is the main thing that's different. Just how Varga said to go here and then bring it back straight, you guys are gonna do the opposite. You guys are gonna come up straight. Yes, like you guessed it, like a front kick, because it's faster like that. Once you're here, once your leg travels here, think about it, guys. From here to here, it's super short distance. If I'm here, whoop, think about how fast that is. You're right here. Now, from there, you're turning it into a roundhouse kick. Watch. Bah! That's a fast roundhouse kick. And if you guys want to bring it all the way around, you can. You don't have to put it in front of you. Like for Muay Thai, it's the same concept. Bah! Look at how fast that is. Look at how accurate that is. How fast. And I'm not telegraphing like they do. I'm not going here. I'm not stepping first. I'm not doing any of that other shit. And I can do it with left too. Same thing with left. Bah! Bah! I'm just saying, guys. It's way quicker. I'm going straight. Bah! I'm not going all the way around. My knee is coming up here. Here. Bah! Way quicker, guys, than this and this. Also, when Taekwondo people do these kicks, bah, 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 it's the same shit. We're coming here. When we do front lead leg, same thing. We come here, because from here you don't know if I'm throwing an axe kick, a roundhouse, a hook kick, a side kick. I can do anything from here. From this position, I can throw any kind of kick. And I'm also checking at the same time. So, that's it, guys. You guys want to practice it this way. Another thing you guys want to do, last but not least, the defense. Okay, anytime you throw a roundhouse kick, if people are going this way, you can be countered with a spin kick with another roundhouse kick. So, what you guys want to do is take your head backwards. If I'm here, I take off, I twist, look at my head. My head is going back. You want to take your head back away. The further back away you take your head, the less likely you will get hit with a counter shot. Okay? Well, that'll be it for this video, guys. For the next video, bah, bah! Catch you later. Bah, bah, time!